Hello everyone, welcome to our presentation on the Samli 2388 propellers. Today, I'm going to explain the features, benefits, and applications of Samli propellers. Look, these are Samli 2388 propellers. So, these two, they are 2388 CW propellers. They are for one CW motor. So, another two pieces of CCW propellers, they are for CW motor. Except the four pieces of propellers, we also offer the screws and the washers. Samli 2388 propellers are designed for high-performance area applications. 2388 means 23-inch diameter and 8.8-inch pitch. Samli propellers are engineered for optimal thrust, efficiency, and durability. They are very smooth and stable operation, ensure the precise control, and the 2388 propellers are very suitable for a wide range of drones, from heavy lifting drones to high-speed drones. The 2388 propellers can withstand very high RPM. So, the 2388 propeller is suitable for 5 to 10 kilo payload and capacity drones, such as the agricultural drones and aerial photography drones and industrial inspection drones. We are Samli propellers expert. Thanks for your watching the video. If you have any inquiry, please do contact us at once. We will be very happy to hear from you. Thank you.